Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I will be getting ready to take some Instagram pictures. So I will be basically showing you the makeup that I do for Instagram. It's kind of like my everyday makeup, but just a little bit more intense, different techniques, a little bit more of like products and whatnot. My outfit is basically a full black with just a pair of Jordans at the end. I will be including pictures at the end of the video if you guys want to see how the pictures came out. And yeah, hope you guys like my background. Like, it's my bed and then like my rack with some clothes on that looks a bit messy, and like a plant at the back. I really do like it. It looks really like nice and clean and neat, refreshing. So without further ado, I am going to continue with this video. Hope you guys like it. Okay guys, so we have just woken up 20 minutes ago. We look like a zombie right now. Also, I sprained my ankle yesterday and I'm gonna take Instagram pictures today. Okay, anyways, yeah, let's get straight into the brows. Obviously we're gonna do some fluffy brows right now because my brows are so thin. I use the Pears soap and it looks orange, but it applies like transparent, and my spoolie actually broke, so I'm going to use the end bit of the Benefit brow gel. My mirror's here, by the way, so if you see me looking down, that is the reason. I'm just gonna brush them literally up, and I'm gonna press it down with my finger. You guys see me do this on my like Insta stories. So yeah, I'm doing the same thing, brushing them up like that. And now my new favorite eyebrow product. This is the Brow Define eyebrow pencil with blending brush, and it looks like this. And then the other side is like the brow pencil, and it looks like this. I'm just gonna fill in like the bottom bit of my brow because that's where I have missing hair, which doesn't give me that straight eyebrow effect, which I really like. So 10 minutes later, my eyebrows are done. They're not even, just let's not even like go there, please. I'm gonna start prepping my skin. I've done my skincare already, obviously. I applied SPF already. I use a simple SPF lotion and I really like it. I really want to try the Laurant Shape. But yes, I'm gonna use two primers today, and I don't really class this as a primer. This is the Ole Henrikson Banana Bright Primer. You guys probably seen this, like everyone using it, but this gives me that beautiful natural glow and I love that, so I'm going to use that today. Then now the second primer I'm going to use is the Charlotte Tilbury Brightening Youth Glow Anti-Aging Color Correcting Glow Boost. I feel like it works really well with like my matte foundation. So basically today we're going to be using the Fenty Beauty, this one. Obviously today I want to have a bit more fuller coverage for my foundation, like for my skin in general, because we're going to be taking pictures and whatnot. Okay, so face is prepped. So now onto the foundation. Today I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Long Foundation. I am in the shade 230. I'm obviously going to use my brush. As you guys know, I'm a brush person. I have some new Charlotte Tilbury makeup that I bought. I really want to try out. I thought let me do like a whole new video testing out new makeup products. But yeah, let me know if you guys would like something like that. I've been slacking on my YouTube only because I actually don't have time, and obviously uni and stuff. It's a bit difficult. Maybe I just don't know how to manage my time, I don't know. So today for concealers, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So I'm going to use 16N, which is a fair light neutral. Okay, so I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend it out. Recently I started realising that my concealers actually look better with Beauty Blender. It just looks kind of smoother and just blends out really quick. This concealer is actually really full coverage. The reason why I done my concealer like this here, only because I am going to contour, so I'm going to blend it out but not fully. I'm just going to blend it out down towards like my fat jawline, but the top bit I'm going to kind of let it marinate there, only because I feel like it will give me like a really nice like chiseled cheek. So for contour I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Match Stick in the shade Mocha. I'm just going to do this on my forehead as well as my jawline. I'm gonna go in with my foundation brush that I also use for concealer, but I just feel like when I use the same brush, everything blends out more easily together. And this is when I start blending the concealer with the contour. It gives me that nice seamless contour effect. Basically what I do is I just blend out the contour first. Like when I'm done blending upwards, I blend out these two sections together like this, and it gives me that lovely seamless cheekbone. I'm gonna use my Laurent Mercier Translucent powder to literally set everything and lock things in place. I'm gonna go with my Bareminerals Bounce and Coral Cloud blush. I absolutely love it. It's cream base, but then when you apply it, it turns into powder. Basically, I'm gonna take my Spectrum BO2 brush and just do this. So on my nose. I may have put a lot on, but don't worry about it. I'm gonna fix that. Just have to blend out with your beauty blender, and that's literally it. I mean, I don't mind my blush being like crazy and like out there because I really like blush. I feel like it shows up in pictures much more. So I don't know if I mentioned before, but literally I'm doing this makeup based on how I want myself to come out in the picture. So I want like blush cheeks, you know. The bronzer, I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty Ting bronzer. I'm going to use my L'Oreal Shake and Glow Spray Illuminating Spray. Basically, I love this. My friend actually bought this for my birthday because she knows I love dewy like finish. This has been my favorite dewy illuminating spray ever. As the Morphe one, I love it a lot, like as well. It's really good. It's just, it finishes really quickly. Simple. I have hooded eyes, so whenever I do any sort of eyeshadow, I look up, you can't see it at all. I just had to like work my way around it and just like figure out how I can like give my eye like this lifting look. You take a Morphe M506 brush, your bronzer, just dip into my bronzer. Because what I do is I just, you know, set my face neutral like this. Wherever I can see the crease, I literally just apply it a little bit above my crease, and then towards the end I literally just elongate it out so that when I do open my eye, you can see the eyeshadow. So a little bit above my crease, that's where I am putting this product on, and I'm just blending it out towards the end bit of my brow. Take my liner. I'm using the Steve Laurent Precise Tip Liner. Pretty good. This one's a little bit longer, but I'm not going to touch it because I know I'm going to ruin it. So next I'm going to use the Este Lauder Automatic Pencil for Eyes Crayon. What I do, I kind of do that fox eye effect at the front, and I use brown because I feel like black is too harsh. So I line the bottom of my top lash line. Can you guys see the difference? Like this eye just looks more like bigger and defined. So I'm going to do the same on the other side. Because I'm feeling a little bit more bougie today, I'm going to go ahead with my Lottie London eye foil, metallic eye foil in the shade Savage. I'm going to use a little bit of this. Just going to tap it on. Now onto mascara. I'm going to use the Maybelline Lash Sensational. My favorite one is the L'Oreal Telescopic, but this is my second favorite one. My friend actually is like a mascara freak, so she always tries them out and just tells me whichever ones are good. But yeah, this one's a really good one, and also I heard that the waterproof one of this is really good. I just want to show you guys something. Every single day I literally use this lip liner. This is the MUA Intense Color lip liner in the shade Sincere. I just feel like it's like the perfect brown lip liner for like nude and pinks and like mauves, and I think it's the perfect lip liner, honestly. Like the color is so good, it's so nice and creamy, and I think it's like £1.50. This is like my first one. It's literally like finished, so I bought like 3 more because they're usually out of stock in like Superdrug, and it's so annoying. So I bought like 3 in one go. So I have my 2 lips today. Fenty Beauty matte lipstick in the shade Prom Night. I use lipstick every single day, but I feel like today I'm gonna go and use the Fenty Beauty Stunner lip paint in the shade Unbutton. This is a little bit too pink for this look, so I kind of want to tone it down. And yeah, makeup is practically done. I'm just gonna put away my makeup and then I'm gonna try and pick an outfit. I kind of know what I'm going for. I kind of want to wear like my Jordans, some like, you know, Zara jeans, and like a blazer. Oh, it's cold outside though. Oh, I'm such an idiot. I should have worn my turtleneck, because how the hell am I going to squeeze my head through it? I'm going to clean up and I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you my outfit. But my hair, I'm probably going to leave it out my natural curls. But yeah, I'll be back in a few seconds. Okay guys, I am back. I've chose my outfit. I'm basically just wearing a black turtleneck, a black blazer, a black pair of jeans, my Jordans. Wow, I've never stretched this much in my life. And my hair's a bit like messy, let my few curls out and just on like a bun. And yeah, my makeup looks like this. I also changed my jewelry to my silver ring. Now I'm wearing gold earrings, but I don't have silver earrings, but just ignore that. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will definitely show you guys some pictures that I've taken, pictures that my friend is going to take with me. Yeah, I didn't really show the process of me picking up my outfit because I changed it like 500 times. I just thought to myself, you know what, let me just keep it black and simple and then just add like my Jordans in. But yeah, that's about it with this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it so much, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.